$5,000 worth of loan for bad credit and there's no impact to your credit score? Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. In this very important video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide on how you can get this $5,000 worth of personal loan even with bad credit, and there is no impact to your credit score when you check your rates, and this is huge. And you know the best thing about this loan, that you can actually get your money in 30 minutes in your account. This is a very important video for anyone who has bad or poor credit, so make sure you stay with us till the end. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of credit card with no credit check, and you can get that credit card even if you have bad or worst credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's start, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So this time the opportunity is here right in front of you, and it's from Approva. Well, you can call it Approva or Approva, it totally depends on you, but this is great. Remember, I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide, means how you can fill out the application, so make sure you stay with us. Well, Approva says that receive funds typically within 30 minutes, 24/7, 365 days in a year. It doesn't matter it's holiday or it's a weekend, you can get this money as soon as in 30 minutes. And the best thing about it, well, look at this. It will not affect your FICO credit score. This is huge, and I love the credit products which actually does like this. Right here you can see that they will not impact your credit score, but there is a catch in it. I'll tell you later in this video. First, see that what they have to offer. Well, they say a roadmap to healthy financial future. Approva's quick and easy online application. I'm going to show the application. Fast, simple, secure path to better financial health in only 4 steps. Well, they say you can apply in minutes, and there's quick decision, means the decision will be right away. They will not let you wait for like a day or so. And that it's fast funding, need money quickly, apply now, and you can typically receive funds within 30 minutes. Can you imagine? Just in 30 minutes. And you can improve your financial health with Approva, as you can build your credit score and financial health with every payment, putting you on a path to financial freedom. Means they actually report to all credit bureaus. This is huge. Moving on, having financial goals, Approva will help you get there. This is amazing. You can take control of your financial health because they have an app that you can use, and you can see that how much you were spending, what are the things that you need to do in order to save money, and how you can use this loan responsibly. Well, Approva can help with expenses such as home repairs. Well, if you have a house, well, in these times it's really difficult to have one. Unexpected car repairs, medical expenses, we all know those huge medical bills, or any major purchase. You just bought a house or you just want to buy something for yourself, this is the way to go. But remember, this is a credit product, so please remember it comes with hefty APR. Every credit product does, so keep this in mind. And I'm not a financial advisor. This is a disclaimer. Always do your own research before you apply for any of the credit products. What our customers say, it was really fast, easy, and simple to apply. I love that I had the option to receive the money immediately as I need it right now. Well, it's something that you need to keep in mind. This is a review. We cannot verify the review, but their Trustpilot score is 4.8, which is great, and they have 32,075 reviews, which is indeed great. Well, according to them, $800 million or over $800 million has been borrowed, and over 700,000 loans have been dispatched. Now, what you should know about Approva, what makes Approva different for everyone. Approva was created and believe that everyone should access to safe and affordable lending options. Means if you have bad or worse credit, you are there. Accessibility, we provide access to cash when people need it at a reasonable rate with fixed repayment terms. The government is in shutdown mode, you can still apply for this. Build your future. Our installment loans range for $300 to $5,000 depending on if you qualify. then we will build your FICO credit score or alternative credit score with each timely payment. Means they report to all major credit bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, which is great. Moving on, make better financial decisions with Approval. Don't get stuck with unexpected terms and penalties. Well, they have some very good financial health programs and stuff, like it's actually integrated into their app, and they have a pretty neat app as well, so you can certainly do that. So what do we need to do right here? Well, we are going towards the application, so click on get started, and right here it starts with first name, last name, and email address. So let's go with first name Sam, last name Manuel. Okay, and email, I can just put creditoaks@gmail.com. Let's see what they have for us. When you click on it, they will ask us to do a strong, so yeah, use strong password, and then click on continue. Then they're gonna ask us for the loan amount. What would be the loan amount? Let me put 5,000, the max that we need right here. Remember, this is a step-by-step guide. If you haven't smashed the like button, do it right now, as it takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of research to make videos like this. And if you like the presentation videos like this, means no ifs and buts, right straight to the point, this is the channel for you. Then click on continue. As soon as you do that, are you in military? For me, I'm not, but if you were in the military, then thank you for your service. Then continue, and then they're gonna ask you for your home phone, for your cell phone, and for your date of birth. For home phone, I can just put something like 212-865-8080, and yeah, I can just do that. And consent, October 19, this is a random date, so I'm just gonna put 1980. Continue, and then verifying you're a human. This may take a few seconds. Let's wait how it's gonna work. Now, this is the most important part, and this is where you need to pay attention. Well, remember, you need to put your address that exactly matches the address on your credit report. Again, you need to put the address that exactly matches the address on your credit report. Then when you do that, they'll ask you for your social security number. Right after this step, you put it, and then what's going to happen? They will actually do a soft pull. It will not impact your credit score, means there is no impact to your credit score. It will not do a hard check or anything. They will tell you whether you're approved or not. As soon as you see that you're qualified, my bad, it's qualified, not approved. So qualification doesn't mean that you're guaranteed approval. A pre-approval pretty much means guaranteed approval, but qualification means that, okay, you can get this loan, we can consider you. So once you click on that, okay, I agree, then they will do a hard pull. So of course, it's great to see any credit products where you can actually see that you're qualified or not, or you can get this loan or not, even before a hard inquiry. But remember, it's not guaranteed. So when you click on agree, of course, they will give you the disclaimers and everything. And if you're approved, then you're good to go. But remember, it comes with hefty APR as well. It's a personal loan, so you need to keep this in mind. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of credit card with no credit check, and you can get this credit card even with bad or worst credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.